Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the factory reset your iPad. Now this is going to erase all the content on your iPad. Now first you're going to open up your settings. So before you factory reset this, you want to make sure your iPad is backed up. So there's two ways to do it. One is through iCloud, though you may need to pay extra for more storage. And another way is through iTunes. So if you connect your iPad to your computer. Now I'm not going to fully go through that, but just real quick. So to get to the iCloud settings, just press on your name and then press on iCloud. Now just make sure that these are turned on for whatever you want backed up. And then you can also press on iCloud Backup and just press here on Backup Now. Alright, so now for factory resetting. So you're going to press on General here on the left side. And then scroll down a bit and then press on Reset. Now you're going to press on Erase All Content and Settings, so the second option. And then it's saying here for me that it's not finished backing up yet to the iCloud. So you can finish backup and then erase. But I don't really care about that stuff. So I'm just going to press Erase Now. And it's putting your passcode. Okay, and it's going to ask you to confirm one more time. So again guys, just be completely sure that you want to do this because it's just going to make your iPad go back to when you first got it. But yeah, all your data, everything on here will be erased if it's not backed up. Alright, and I'm just going to confirm it. And once again, confirm. So now for the Apple ID password. So after you put in your password, just press return. Alright guys, so it may take a few minutes for this to reset. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped out.